Whether you're building your dream rig or just looking to upgrade, the right PC case can make all the difference. Not only does it affect airflow and cooling, but it also gives your setup a stylish and unique look. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best gaming PC cases, the ones that combine performance, design, and functionality to help your PC stand out while staying cool under pressure. So, if you're ready to level up your gaming rig, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Starting of our list at number 5, DarkFlash DS900. The DarkFlash Glass ATX case redefines PC building with its stunning 270 degrees panoramic tempered glass panel, offering an unobstructed view of hardware and RGB lighting while ensuring durability with high-strength glass. Its high-speed I/O panel featuring USB 3.0 and Type-C ports delivers lightning-fast connectivity, making it ideal for modern setups. Equipped with 4 PWM ARGB fans, this case ensures optimal airflow, supporting up to 10 fans and a 360mm RAD for exceptional cooling during intense gaming. Thoughtfully designed with a magnetic top dust filter and panel dust filter, it minimizes dust accumulation, while the anti-slip bottom structure ensures stability on any surface. Easy installation, seamless cable management, and effortless maintenance make this case a top choice for enthusiasts aiming to elevate their builds with both aesthetics and performance. Here is the item number 4, Corsair CC901-1279. The 3500X PC case combines stunning aesthetics with practical features, making it a standout choice for builders. Its wraparound tempered glass panels provide a sleek view of the interior, while the removable front and side panels ensure easy assembly and future upgrades. With support for Mini-ITX to eATX motherboards and compatibility with reverse connection motherboards like ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero, it's ready for cutting-edge builds. Cooling is a highlight, with space for up to 10x 120mm fans, plus 3 pre-installed RS120 ARGB fans offering vibrant lighting and efficient airflow. The glass front panel doesn't compromise performance, thanks to thoughtfully placed side, roof, and PSU fan mounts, making this case a perfect blend of style and functionality. The item number 3, Musetex Y6 N5 W. The Musetex Y6 gaming PC case is a stunning blend of style, functionality, and cutting-edge design. With its 270 degrees fully transparent dual-tempered glass panels, it offers a panoramic display of high-end PC components and collectibles, breaking the conventional mold with its sleek white finish. The case boasts 6 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, including side fans with a reverse blade design for enhanced airflow and aesthetic appeal. Its spacious and meticulously organized interior supports GPUs up to 400mm, CPU coolers up to 176mm, and top-mounted 360mm liquid coolers, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. The high-speed I/O interface includes USB 3.2, Type-C, and USB 3.0 ports for seamless device connectivity and fast data transfers, while the HD audio interface delivers crystal-clear sound. Designed with practicality in mind, the Y6 features anti-vortex blade fans and an innovative airflow system to ensure optimal cooling and extend hardware life, complemented by magnetic dust filters for easy maintenance. This mid-tower PC case is not just functional but also an ornamental addition to any gaming or office setup, combining elegance, durability, and exceptional cooling performance. Number 2 in our list, Musetex K2. The Musetex K2 gaming PC case is a standout choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts, delivering both a stunning visual experience and a first-class installation experience. Featuring 6 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, the case ensures exceptional cooling performance while dazzling with customizable lighting effects. Its 270 degrees fully transparent dual-tempered glass panels offer a breathtaking view of high-end hardware and collectibles, setting it apart from competitors. With ample installation space and support for GPUs up to 420mm and CPU coolers up to 178mm, the K2 effortlessly accommodates diverse configurations. The high-speed I/O panel boasts 2 USB 3.0 ports, a Type-C interface, and a reset button, ensuring seamless connectivity and convenience. Its innovative air-duct design and magnetic dust filters enhance airflow and minimize maintenance, while the elegant rectangular structure ensures it fits beautifully in any setup. Combining practicality, performance, and aesthetics, the Musetex K2 is a must-have for anyone building a powerful and stylish gaming rig. The top one in our list, Corsair 4000D. The Corsair 4000D is a standout choice for building a high-performance PC thanks to its thoughtful design and premium features. With the Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System, routing cables is a breeze, offering a generous 25mm of space behind the motherboard for a clean setup. Its compatibility with a variety of motherboard sizes, including Mini ATX, Micro ATX, ATX, and eATX, ensures versatility. Cooling is a strong suit with support for up to 6x 120mm or 4x 140mm fans and radiator options up to 360mm in the front and 280mm on the roof. The inclusion of two 120mm air guide fans with anti-vortex vanes delivers focused airflow, enhancing cooling efficiency. Modern connectivity is within easy reach on the front I/O panel, featuring a USB 3.1 Type-C port, USB 3.0 port, and a combination audio microphone jack. With a sleek design and proven durability, the 4000D seamlessly combines innovative cable management, concentrated airflow, and Corsair's renowned build quality. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best gaming PC case amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.